Jai Hind, I'm Aditya and I belong from Uttar Pradesh, Agra. It's a long time I'm playing tennis from at least 7 to 8 years, and now I'm on nationals. And if I talk about the support which I get in tennis with my family, my mother and my father have given me a very significant and a very important support which I need at that time, as all of my matches which held outside my cities and my states, I need to have a tour at that places and around twice a month, and it was very beneficial for me, and no doubt it gave me very support, and now also it is paying for it. And if I talk about myself, in class 10th only I decided कि यार मेरे को एनडीए ही करना है. And at that time I was not having sufficient knowledge about एनडीए, that how to do एनडीए, what is एनडीए and all about it. But fortunately at that time मेरे भैया ने भी एलडब्ल्यूएस से एनडीए क्रैक किया था. And at that time he told me that कि तू एनडीए कर सकता है और तेरे पास अच्छी चांसेस हैं, तूने ये एनसीसी कैंप कर रखा है और वगैरह वगैरह. सो ही टेल मी दैट कि यहाँ पे ये कोचिंग है एल जिससे मैंने किया. एंड आई वॉज लाइक इट्स अ नॉर्मल कोचिंग लाइक ऑल द इंस्टीट्यूट रन इन देयर. एंड इट वॉज लाइक नो, इट वॉज लाइक it is a normal coaching which is going on. But after some time when I come for a visit at this place, it was a very tremendous, and it is like very good, I could say. And when I started coming in the hostel, and when I lived here for around 1 to 2 months, I saw that it is not like the other coachings. It is having something different from other coachings, like regular basis of SSB classes and the regularly coming of officers and the and many more peoples. And after that, if we talk about that, how the timetable is going on, the timetable is very fantastic, and it is like very good for the people. And that timetable is also supported by government, as we can see that that timetable is good for one's life. And I feel very good over here because I am able to focus on my studies at a good, and I can give a good time to my studies. मैं ये भी देख सकता हूँ कि जब से मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ, मेरी जो स्टडीज़ हैं उनमें कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आ रही है, जो कुछ भी मैं अपना करना चाहता हूँ, मेरे टीचर्स जो है पूरी हर टाइम पे मेरे साथ रहते हैं. और वो, एंड बिसाइड फ्रॉम दैट आई कैन सी दैट द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स is also with us whole of the time, and we never feel that he is the coordinator. He always stays with us like a brother and all. And so it is just like a second home to me, because it is very necessary for a person to stay comfortable at a place where he is, and that was is that LWS provide a person. So according to me, if you are coming to LWS, so it is best, because a normal coaching will only give you the way to, it would only like prepare you to come into an NDA. But LWS is a coaching which feels you, which give you a feeling that you are in NDA. So it automatically it becomes the best coaching. And thank you.